Alphabet sounds. Let's learn English sounds with fun. What is phonics? Phonics means learning how letters sound. When we speak English, we blend letter sounds together to make words. Example: the letter A says A, like in apple. Remember, every letter has a special sound. A says A, apple. I like apple. B says B, ball. I play with a ball. C says K, cat. The cat is soft. D says D, dog. The dog runs fast. E says E, egg. I eat an egg. F says F, fish. The fish is pretty. Vowels and consonants. There are two special groups of letters. Vowels, 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. A, apple. E, egg. I, ink. O, orange. U, umbrella. Consonants, 21 letters: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All other letters make consonant sounds. Practice sentences. Say these sentences with your teacher. Clap at each sound. A for apple. I like apples. Repeat. Repeat. B for ball. I play with a ball. Repeat. Repeat. C for cat. The cat is small. Repeat. Repeat. D for dog. The dog runs fast. Repeat. Repeat. fun match game. Can you match the picture to the latest sound? Apple. A. Ball. B. Cat. C. Dog. D. Egg. E. Fish. F. Review and homework. Say A to F with sounds. Practice saying each letter sound slowly and clearly. Draw 5 letters with pictures. Draw your favorite 5 letters and write pictures for each one. Practice at home with parents. Ask your family to play phonics game with you. Learning English is fun when we know the sounds. Thank you. Keep practicing. Say sounds every day. You are doing great. More letters. Ask your teacher to show you Z to Z next time.